It's early April and the stock market is buzzing with anticipation. The S&P 500 is holding steady around the 5,200 mark. Every financial analyst out there is sounding the alarms, warning of an inevitable bubble burst and predicting a market crash. But one man, Tom Lee, stands apart from the noise. While others were urging caution, Lee made a bold call, confidently predicting that the S&P 500 would surge to 5,700 by the end of the year. Many dismissed this prediction as wishful thinking, calling it an impossible feat in such a volatile market. Well, fast forward to mid-September, and Lee's bold call has become a reality. The S&P 500 is now hovering around 5,700, just as he predicted. But here's the kicker. Lee isn't stopping there. While many financial experts are preparing for a recession and bracing for a potential crash, Lee is once again stepping forward with another bold prediction. He's hinting that the S&P 500 could climb even higher, possibly hitting the 6,000 mark before the year is out. With the bull market still showing strength, the opportunities are endless. But in an overheated market like this, selecting the right stocks becomes more crucial than ever. In today's video, we're going to reveal 3 under-the-radar stocks that could see massive growth as this bull market continues to run strong through the end of the year and into 2025. These are not your typical stocks. They're hidden gems that have the potential to make a big impact if you get in early. So let's dive in. First up, we have Palantir Technologies Inc., ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir has been on a tear recently, crossing the $40 mark after an impressive rally. Some analysts are sounding alarms, calling the stock overvalued. But there's a lot more to the story here, and that's what we're going to uncover. Palantir has long been a polarizing stock. Even when it was trading at half of its current value, the bears were skeptical. Now that it's doubled in price, those same critics are doubling down, claiming that the rally is unsustainable. But let's take a closer look at what's driving Palantir's growth. This isn't just a random surge. Palantir has been building real momentum by securing high-profile contracts in both the commercial and government sectors. For example, the company recently signed a $100 million deal with the U.S. Army, along with other significant partnerships with corporations like APA Corporation and Nebraska Healthcare. These deals are critical because they showcase the real-world demand for Palantir's cutting-edge AI solutions. Many are wondering if this is Palantir's NVIDIA moment. Just like NVIDIA exploded during the AI revolution, Palantir is showing signs of a similar trajectory, thanks to its unique technology. Their artificial intelligence platform, AIP, is helping businesses unlock the full potential of AI, much like how NVIDIA revolutionized the tech industry with its chips. Now sure, some investors will argue that Palantir looks overvalued by traditional metrics. But remember, we heard those same concerns about NVIDIA before its stock surged by over 2,000% in the last 5 years. Just like NVIDIA in the early days of AI, Palantir is at the beginning of something big. The company's total addressable market, TAM, in enterprise software could grow to a staggering $500 billion by 2030. Even capturing a small slice of that market could send Palantir's revenues through the roof. While short-term technicals might suggest a pullback is possible, the long-term potential here is undeniable. If Palantir can grow its revenues to $115 billion over the next 5 years, while expanding its operating margins, we could be looking at a stock that climbs to $100 or beyond in the future. This is one stock you might want to hold on to for the long haul. Now, before we jump to the next stock, if you're enjoying this video and getting some real value out of it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us bring you more content like this. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. All right, moving on to the second stock on our list, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, ticker symbol TSM. TSM is another company that's been quietly dominating its sector. In Q2 of 2024, TSMC posted incredible earnings, with revenues soaring to $673 million, thanks to their 3-nanometer and 5-nanometer chip processes. These advanced technologies now account for over 67% of the company's total wafer production revenue, solidifying TSMC's crucial role in the AI and machine learning industries. Here's what's really exciting about TSMC. More than half of their total revenue comes from high-performance computing, which is central to powering the AI revolution. As AI models become more complex and computational power needs skyrocket, TSMC is at the forefront of delivering the chips needed to keep this revolution going. And their market dominance is nothing short of impressive, holding a 90% market share in advanced chip nodes. Competitors like Samsung and Intel are struggling to keep up, which puts TSMC in a prime position to maintain their lead for years to come. What's more, TSMC is benefiting from massive government subsidies aimed at localizing semiconductor production due to global geopolitical tensions. With over $705 billion in incentives from countries like the US, Germany, and Japan, TSMC is rapidly expanding its global footprint. As demand for advanced chips continues to rise, TSMC is riding the AI wave, making it a must-watch stock in the coming years. And last, but certainly not least, we have Cloudflare Inc., ticker symbol NET. Now, at first glance, Cloudflare might seem expensive, but when you dig into the company's growth story, it becomes clear why this stock deserves your attention. Despite facing some short-term headwinds, including slower growth and macroeconomic challenges, Cloudflare continues to be a leader in the tech industry, particularly as AI and cloud infrastructure spending accelerate. In Q2 of 2024, Cloudflare posted $401 million in revenue, marking a solid 30% year-over-year growth. What's even more impressive is their expanding presence in the Asia-Pacific region, thanks to a well-targeted go-to-market strategy. The company's paying customer base is also growing, with over 21,200 paying customers, including 30% of the Fortune 500 companies now relying on Cloudflare's services. One of the most exciting areas of growth for Cloudflare is in its AI and edge computing initiatives. Their Workers platform, which allows companies to run machine learning models on the edge, has seen massive adoption. Developer usage of Workers AI has grown by 67%, with AI inference requests skyrocketing by 700%. Cloudflare is also investing heavily in infrastructure to support more complex workloads, ensuring that they remain at the cutting edge of AI development. With rumors swirling about a potential acquisition of DigitalOcean, Cloudflare could be positioning itself to expand even further in the cloud computing space. While it remains to be seen whether this acquisition will happen, Cloudflare is already well-positioned to dominate the market on its own. So, there you have it. 3 stocks that are poised to make major moves as the bull market continues to charge forward. Whether you're a long-term investor or just looking for short-term gains, these companies have the potential to deliver substantial returns. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest market opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.